But we'll take that. Where we at? No, no. I'm stuck. It's stuck. Peace, y'all, and everyone around the world. This is A.D.V. Beast the Game, aka A.D.V, and we're here with some more skate content. Finishing up on the Isle of Grom, getting the last challenges in, so then I can move back to San Van. But with that, if y'all like what y'all see and watch, and y'all have in the background, wherever how you listen to it, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and continue to go ahead and add in those comments down in the comment section. But with that, y'all, let's get back to some more skate. So in this particular case, right now I'm trying to see if you can knock out 3 each recording, but we'll check it out. So we got stop, drop, and roll. I'm surprised I did not just fall on my butt and just fail immediately.
Drop a little something to make your landing a whole lot cooler.
Okay. So what do you have to do?
Hit it.
Modified grabs, check on a quick drop object, and then a hand plant. Okay. Now let me see. Ledge. Since you said drop something, I'm gonna drop something. Let's see. Add object. Let's put a kicker. Just cause.
Nice.
And leave that kicker there. Let's go back up
Start
here.
over.
Oh, there's not a what's it call it there? It's right here. So then why? Okay, I'm gonna start here instead and just go down. Go down.
What is that?
We can't? You just can't go straight into that? Really? Yeah. Thank you, so you can. I was about to say, man. Whoa. All right, it wants me to drop something else. Since it's dropping right here, we might as well. We're gonna put a bigger thing here.
What did he say?
Yeah, I'm talking about ramp, okay? I'm gonna put another ramp here instead. Let's rotate it. And if you can drop into the ramp instead. Hopefully do this correctly. All right. Did I just, oh my goodness. I set it up this way. Are we climbing from the sides? Bob the climber.
What?
Ice climbers. Psych. All right. Now let's do this. Hopefully this shouldn't be an issue. There we go.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Now
sir.
we can do a hand plant. Yeah, that wasn't clean.
Quick
I didn't like that. Wasn't clean. Now hand plant. That's how we finish it. All right. See, I didn't even need that other extra ramp. Didn't need it at all.
Thank you for following the safety instructions.
What safety instructions? I don't know what you talking about. There are no safety instructions. We locked up. We
Stop.
Psych, because we was behind the gate. All right, so we did that one. Now let's see the next one. Next one. I want to knock this one out. Let's do pipe dream, and we can do buckle up. All right, let's go for it. Hey, I could jump right off right there. I see. Let's do it. Oh, I actually could have landed that. I should have just let it go. Ah, why did I do that? I would have landed that. All right. So let's see.
Pro tip, maintain your speed to make the manual to gap at the end of this line.
Maintain your speed to make the manual to gap at the end of this line. All right.
Send it.
Oh, that's the manual to gap the top of the wall. Okay, now that makes sense. Okay. Get your grind on. Oh, bro.
Reload.
All right, run it back. We were good. Get your grind on. How? Ooh. You know about that tail. Okay. All right, but my thing is, ooh, I wasn't even trying to nose manual, but we'll take that. Where we at? No, no, I'm stuck. It's stuck. Woo! No. Why is it making me go through all of this suffering and pain? That was not what I was trying to do. I got played. All right, we gotta make it past. Why is it always making me nose manual? Hey, hey, hey. That was super difficult on my part. Just made it super difficult for myself. There we go.
You are officially testing
Out of
the limits
bounds.
of my boundary
Someone always
detection.
said it. Out of
Tactical
bounds.
speed maintenance.
Yeah, that was crazy. All right. We in there. Why are you down there like you a coffin? Goodness. Like my boy really was deceased. Like, what's the issue? Yeah, all right, so next one is right up over there. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right. Oh, is it even further up? Wait, where is that mug? Am I just going the wrong way? It was that way. Why am I going the wrong way? Oh, see, I'm still right, but run. Forgot. There you go. X is to run. Get this done, man. And if you still here with me, put down in the comments, buckle up, because I don't know what we're about to experience.
Those times
right
are going
here.
to be hard to beat, but you've got this.
Oh, we gotta beat times. I forgot. It's a speed thing. Okay.
It's
720.
go time.
Seatbelt. Up and RT. Let me just. It's not even a seatbelt. I messed it up.
Okay,
I messed that up.
this time.
All right, let me figure out. Let me get seatbelt first. See, it keeps trying to have me do the, bruh. Why are you in the air? Doom, boom. It's the right stick. Oh, am I using the right stick? No. No, I don't know what I'm doing. To be honest with y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. But let's see. We're gonna do the seatbelt first, so we can get that out the way. That wasn't a seatbelt. That was a melon. Got me melancholy. Haha.
Shut up!
All right. Come on now. You can't, you're not buckling your seatbelt? All right, bro. There we go. Right now, I'm gonna be honest with y'all. We're not worrying about the time limit. I'm trying to make sure we can. It didn't even give me the seatbelt. Ah, bro. Seatbelt, exactly. It's a seatbelt. Dang.
Let's give it another go.
That's a shifty nose grab. No wonder. So now I'm not getting the seatbelt. Yeah. See, that's a seatbelt. Alright. Better give me that. That 720 spin is gonna be ugly. To be honest with y'all. It's gonna be ugly. Whoa. I might just have to at least beat this challenge for y'all because I don't know about everything else of it. I just gotta at least beat this challenge with one. And we're gonna just leave it there. Or I might be able to get two. Good line.
Back to the start.
Okay.
You got this.
Let's see. Try again. Try again. Whoa, I did a little too much. All right. What the hell? Bruh, hey, these turns are pretty sharp. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right. I think this is actually the closest that you can get to trying to do the 720 flip is the beginning. It is literally that turn. All right, we're gonna try at least get the total attempt score and then we're good. It made me want to do the flip. I was not trying to do the flip for y'all. Flip, flip. There go the seatbelt. That kind of helped with my speed right there. But that right there messed me up. All right, I'll take that. Cause this 720 spin is not a thing, so we're gonna take that, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna take that. I don't mind that.
What's up with speed?
It's like, man, you should finish it all the way through.
Good work.
But I'm not gonna do too much with all of this. It's basically making sure we get majority of the challenge done. So, and the infamous 720 spins just do not like us. And I don't want to do any glitches or exploits to get that correctly. So it's all good. So we did 1, 2. This is the next one. Oh, we already did that. So we already knocked them out. Ah, bruh. So quick with stuff. I don't be thinking that we had more to do, but yeah, nah. I think that's just about cool. I'm cool with that. If y'all cool with that, y'all let me know. But bust out this last setup right here. Was not clean though. All right. With that being said, y'all, I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all again for watching. If you want to see more skate content, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe to your boy. Play this in the background, watch it, whatever you want to end up doing with it. But I appreciate your time and I appreciate you watching. Again, this has been Avis, aka A.D.V. Beast the Game, and I catch you on the next one. Peace.